Hey guys, we got playbook number 219. Alright, last team like always, the Jets, ended April 28th, 2014. Can't believe it's like the end of the month already. Serial number, time goes by fast. 2065 52 359. Number on the box. It's a little hard to see. 2065 52 359. Alright, good luck to everyone. Let's pull a nice patch. That's about regular size. How should I do this? We'll go Lars Eller base at a 249 for the Canadians. Well, you see the booklet's Danny DeKaiser, but there's a hit on the back. Ooh. Fabled Fabrics patch, or prime jersey, numbered 1 out of 10. Bobby Clark for the Flyers. It's a pretty nice hit. And DeKaiser rookie booklet, 110 out of 199. For the Red Wings, we got red jersey and auto. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.